yeah, so I'm outside again. I brought out the Rolleiflex 6008 integral. I just wanted to take some photos, have some Tmax 400. I've taken like 4 shots already. I had to warm up and get everything figured out. It'll be interesting to see how it goes. Yeah, let's do that. One thing that I really like, I think that car might have been in a shot, but it has a spot meter built in, and you can choose, like, you can do like averaging basically, but you choose the 5 spots that you want it to average. So you really kind of get control of what it's trying to meter for in the shot, which I think is pretty cool. I'm gonna take one more because I'm just convinced that that car was in the shot. There we go. I think that one's good. Oh, somebody's car is on fire. Yo, their car is like really smoky. Oh snap, that's crazy. Did not see that coming. Got it. I could probably go to 4. It would be fine. Got it. So I found this nice little park bench and I need to load film. We'll hang out here for a bit and I'll load some film. It's been a while since I've really been shooting, maybe since like the trip to Nevada. I'll link that. But I haven't really photographed since then. Really quick, the 6008 here has a removable back. You can actually go 6x6 or 645, depending on that. But anyway, I enjoy the idea of like taking time away afterwards, and am really enjoying the thing I created. There we go, it's loaded. So yeah, let's get out and shoot. This scene in itself is just so nice. Maybe if I come from like straight on with the hoops, like maybe they should sit off to the side, and I'll try a couple shots. I have a couple ideas. I'm gonna have to take another one. I just don't know how to frame it. So it's a new day. I didn't finish shooting yesterday. Some stuff came up, so I had to kind of cut it short. But I came out to the city for a little bit. I've been wanting to shoot the buildings from a little higher up, like a different vantage point than I normally do. So I came out to one of the parking decks and kind of just seeing what I like about this area and kind of photographing some of the buildings and such. I have a couple more shots of the Tmax 400. So I'm gonna finish that up. I'm also gonna stop by my best friend's place, doing some photos for her. Kind of the plan for today. I think, like I said, I have a couple shots left, so I'm just gonna get a few more and then I'm gonna head that way so we can get those photos out of the way while the sun is still looking pretty good. So that's pretty much the plan. I like that. I actually like how the building's hitting here, the light. We're losing the light. It's like going that way, so it's disappearing from the building. Oh, it's a good shot over here. Maybe I'll go check that out. I'm a fan. I am indeed a fan. I hope that shot comes out. I did like it. This could be a cool shot over here, but I don't know.